Mama, guess what? What? I got a date to the prom.
Hey guys,
What?
I got a date to the prom.
Wait, are you my date? Hey guys, what's my favorite animal?
What?
What? Penguins. I did not know that.
Hey, this is the first time I've ever hit into someone.
That's cool.
Hey, I've never told you this before, but I don't know how to dance.